What is going on? My name is Jack, and this is Log Cabin Firewood. So we got the Axis and the STK 24 conveyor moved into place so that we can start putting some pine where it goes, right into the pine bin for the campfire wood. In front of me, we have a little bit of pine that we got from our good buddy Funk. His neighbor actually gave this to us, and it's a decent wood. There is some white pine in here. I couldn't tell you the difference of the two, but I know there's two different types of pine here. But it's gonna make good campfire wood. We're gonna get this stuff split up because I do plan on putting another addition to my roadside stand. I wanna do some loose stacks. I know I've been talking about this forever. I'm the biggest procrastinator in the world, but I figured I would get some pine in here. That way I could fill the bins up with some campfire wood because that's primarily what I sell to is campers. So let's get the saws rocking and a-rolling. I'm gonna put my helmet on and put some tunes in one ear. I'm waiting on a phone call. I'm supposed to get more wood, even though I am still sitting on a good bit of wood. I love it. I can't tell you how much I love this. Well, we're not even 20 minutes into cutting, and I've already trashed the chain on the 500. I think when I ripped this piece of oak, I mean, the bottom of it was rotten. There was probably a bunch of dirt in it. And I may have hit the dirt too. I don't think I did. And there's also a little bit of dirt on the bottom of this pine. It's been sitting here for a while. Oh well, we are going to fire up the 044 and see what we can get done with it. Well, we went through and got all of the pine cut up, and I'm glad I didn't hit the ground again with the 44. I was able to get everything done with the 44 chain. I went through, what, 2 tanks of fuel with it, and there's a good bit of wood here. I'm excited to get this split up and cleaned up because then I could start working on these mountains over here. I am still supposed to get 2 loads of wood, either today being Friday or tomorrow Saturday. But we shall see. If not, I will sign up for some more wood. Can you guys guess what's gonna be on the next video? I almost think you could. It's probably gonna be splitting some pine into the new bin. Well, not into the new bin, but over here where I've got the Axis and the conveyor staged and ready to go. But that's all I got for today, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in to me cutting some pine. And if you like this kind of stuff, smash the like button, share it, tell everybody, and subscribe. We're almost to 5,000 subs. Let's get to 5,000, guys. Take care of each other, and I will catch you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching.